So, children, do you all know what is the meaning of treasure? It's all the precious things which we have, that is, gems, jewelries, everything which is precious. So, the most precious thing in the world is we ourselves and our inner consciousness. So, here the treasure within means the qualities within us which can make us a successful person. The treasure within us. A brief biography of Hafiz Contractor, born on 19th June 1950 in Mumbai, Maharashtra. Family Parsi Zoroastrian. Nationality Indian. Mother Roshan, who was a teacher. Father Sorab Contractor, a businessman. Education. He did his graduate diploma in architecture from Mumbai in 1975 and completed his graduation from Columbia University, New York, USA, on a Tata scholarship, and then went to pursue a post-graduation degree from Columbia University in New York. Presently, he is a member of Bombay Heritage Committee and New Delhi Lieutenant's Bungalow Zone Review Committee. The treasure within. Architect Hanif Contractor's carefree school life. Now he is discussing about his school life. Hafiz Contractor is a leading architect of India, but as a schoolboy he did not do well. From third standard onwards, he seemed to have lost all interest in studies. He was bad at languages. He hated mathematics. He had nightmares about his mathematics exam. That means he doesn't want to give. He really shivers. He was in fear to give mathematics exam. An architect who built buildings, roads, everything, all the construction activities involved in architecture. So he became architecture instead of doing any other thing. He used to copy in every test until he reached class 11. That means he cheat in the exam. He was pulled up at school. He received a cunning every week. He didn't bother and he was interested in playing and nothing else. Hafiz Contractor loved action, not theory. As a schoolboy, Hafiz Contractor was more interested in games and playing funny pranks on others. He was a gang leader and would have gang fights. He would plan strategies. He was the captain of a school cricket team. Hafiz says that he has learned more by doing than from books. As for himself, and the school life made him a street smart. Hafiz Contractor's special interest at school. Contractor was more interested in other things than studies. If it rained outside the class, he would think of following water into a dam. He would dream how much water the dam would hold. Every Saturday, the students were allowed to go to a movie. Hafiz was the leader and he collected money from the students to book tickets. The principal's advice worked. Hafiz Contractor passed his matriculation only by copying. However, when he reached his 11th class, the principal called him and advised him to act as a responsible grown-up boy and take his studies seriously. The principal's advice had a deep influence on Hafiz. For a whole year, he didn't go to playground and studied all his books starting right from the 5th class. As a result, he scored 50% marks in his SSC exam. Joining Jai Hind College, Mumbai. Hafiz wanted to join the police force, but his aunt wanted him to do his graduation. It was not easy to join a college with only 50% of marks, but Hafiz got admission in Jai Hind College, Mumbai by influence. Hafiz had to opt for either French or German. He had studied French at the school but knew nothing about it. He decided to take German, but after some time his German teacher died. So finally he had to take up French. Hafiz as an architect's office. Hafiz contractor started learning French from his cousin, whose husband was an architect. So Hafiz contractor had to go to an architect's office. One day he saw somebody drawing a window in this office. Hafiz pointed out the mistake in the sketch and told the man that the window would not open. Later it was found that Hafiz was right. His cousin's husband was impressed. He asked Hafiz to draw a few sketches and design of a house. Hafiz did it well at once. The architect asked him to give up everything and join architecture. Hafiz joins architecture. Architect took Hafiz contractor to the principal of the college for architecture. But admission was quite impossible for Hafiz contractor with only 50% marks. Principal allowed him to appear the entrance test. He got A plus grade. He stood first in all the sequence examinations. After that, he never looked back. He did his graduation diploma in architecture from Mumbai in 1975 and completed his graduation from Columbia University, New York, USA on a Tata scholarship. Hafiz's career as an architect. Hafiz contractor commenced his career in 1968 with his uncle T. Khareghat as an apprentice architect, and in 1977 he became associated partner in the same firm. Between 1977 and 1880, Hafiz has been a visiting faculty at the Academy of Architecture, Mumbai. He started his firm, Architect Hafiz Contractor, in 1983. One of his first success story is the Vastu building at Worli Sea Face. He then begged projects in Pune for Karya Builders and a lot of residential building. He was also designed the Imperial Towers, Mumbai, and the tallest buildings in India. His projects are spread across India. Hafiz career at an architecture.